Welcome to my videos. MB910, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Fundamentals, CRM, Questions and Answers Set 2. You are a sales manager working for a paper manufacturer. You need to create customers in Dynamics 365 cells and attach the customer's contract to the customer record as a PDF file. Which record type should you use? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Requirement: store and track customer information. Record type: account. Requirement: attach a file to an activity. Record type: notes. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. The following groups of users must be able to perform specific activities with account data. You need to export data for each group of users. Which export options should you recommend? To answer, drag the appropriate export options to the correct user groups. Each export option may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view content. User group a export option static worksheet. User group Excel online. A company is working with a potential customer on a multi-year contract. The customer decides to delay their decision to commit to the contract. You want to find other colleagues who have interacted with the potential customer to discuss strategies with the colleagues to close the deal with the customer. Which app should you recommend? A. Customer Service Insights. B. Market Insights. C. Power Virtual Agents. D. Sales Insights. Correct answer, D. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. You need to create a forecast in Dynamics 365 sales so that the sales director will be able to predict upcoming sales revenue. Which standard record type is used to create the forecast? A. Account. B. Lead. C. Quote. D. Opportunity. Correct answer, D. Your company uses Dynamics 365 sales. You need to prepare and send a quote to a customer. What are two possible ways to achieve the goal? Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Close the quote. B. Generate a document by using a Microsoft Word template. C. Export the quote as a PDF file. D. Create an order. Correct answer, B and C. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. The company plans to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to increase sales productivity and assist salespersons in their daily duties. You need to identify potential decision makers for a sale. Which LinkedIn Sales Navigator feature should you use? A. Top card. B. Auto capture. C. Related leads. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. You disqualify a lead. On a later date, the lead shows interest in buying a product that the company sells. You need to convert the lead to an opportunity and retain all available history. Which two actions should you perform? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Convert the copied lead to an opportunity. B. Qualify the closed lead as an opportunity. C. Use the reactivate lead functionality to reopen the lead. D. Qualify the reactivated lead to an opportunity. E. Create a copy of the lead with data from the original lead. Correct answer, C and D. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. The sales process must use products. You need to create the product catalog record type. Which record types should you create? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Configuration option: services sold to customers. Record type: units. Configuration option: relationships between multiple items sold as a single SKU. Record type: bundles. Configuration option: services sold to customers. Record type: units. Configuration option: relationships between multiple items sold as a single SKU. Record type: bundles. Phone call activities can be synchronized with Microsoft Outlook. Statement: yes. Custom activity tables can be created. Statement yes. Timelines are a customizable way to display activity history. Statement yes. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. When you qualify a lead, you must manually add the contact if it does not exist. Statement no. When you qualify a lead, you cannot create a new contact if a contact with the SME name already exists, and duplicate detection is turned on. Statement no. You must save notes and attachments from a lead and attach them to an opportunity when the opportunity is created. Statement no. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales with out-of-the-box forms. Users must view logged phone calls and meetings for contacts. Which feature includes phone calls and meetings? A. Controls. B. Attachments. C. Contact information. D. Timeline. Correct answer, D. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. The company must use Export to Excel to edit multiple records. Microsoft Dataverse must update automatically. You need to select the option: A. Dynamic worksheet. B. Static worksheet. C. Dynamic pivot table. D. Open in Excel online. Correct answer, A. You attend a trade show. A fellow attendee suggests that you implement Dynamics 365 Connected Customer Service. What is a valid use case for Dynamics 365 Connected Customer Service? A. Analyze customer sentiment from multiple sources. B. Respond to and resolve customer issues by using social media. C. Use mixed reality applications to assist technicians performing work in the field. D. Use IoT devices and AI to predict when a customer's equipment will need service. Correct answer, D. You manage a call center for a company that uses Dynamics 365 customer service. The call center's customer service manager wants to renew all expired entitlements to increase the duration of entitlements from 6 months to 1 year. You need to help the customer service manager make the changes. Which status indicates that an entitlement must be renewed? A. Draft. B. Waiting. C. Active. D. Cancelled. Correct answer, D. A company plans to implement Dynamics 365 customer service. The company wants to use the system to determine when customers are having an issue and need help. You need to track customer issues until the issues are resolved. What should you create? A. Opportunity. B. Contact. C. Case. D. Quote. Correct answer, C. A company is using several Dynamics 365 applications. A customer sends an email about an issue they are having with a product during a company holiday. The customer expects a response in 48 business hours in accordance with their service level agreement, SLA. You need to configure the system to ensure that the company meets SLA agreements. Which products should you use? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Requirement: configure the system to account for the impact of holidays on SLA response time. Product: Dynamics 365 customer service. Requirement: schedule a service representative in the correct department and time zone to address the customer issue. Product: universal resource scheduling. A company plans to implement omni-channel for customer service. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. Omni-channel for customer service allows you to integrate chatbots that can communicate with customers. Statement yes. Agents can only participate in one session at a time. Statement no. Supervisors can monitor agent conversations only when an agent invites the supervisor to the conversation. Statement no. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. The customer service department for a retailer hires temporary employees to work during peak seasons. Temporary employees take much longer to resolve cases than seasoned employees. You need to recommend features that will help employees find information needed to resolve cases. Which two options should you recommend? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Knowledge base with relevance search. B. Parent and child case settings. C. Case management with related similar cases. D. Routing rule sets. Correct answer, A, C. A customer plans to use knowledge articles to share information as cases are resolved. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. Knowledge article authors can attach pictures to knowledge articles. Statement yes. Knowledge articles are available to others immediately after an agent creates and saves them. Statement no. Seasonal articles can be removed from circulation after a certain date. Statement yes. A company plans to implement new support software. You need to recommend solutions for the company. What should you recommend to meet each requirement? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Requirement: support automated web chat. Solution: power virtual agents. Requirement: send senior technicians a notification when a case moves to an escalated status. Solution: SMS, text message. Requirement: combine all customer and employee inquiries into a single interface. Omnichannel for customer service. A company is implementing Dynamics 365 customer service. You need to recommend features that will meet the requirements. Which features should you recommend? To answer, drag the appropriate features to the correct requirements. Each feature may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view content. Requirement: customer must be able to create cases by using online chat. Feature: omnichannel for customer service. Requirement: customers must be able to create cases by sending email. Feature: plugin. Requirement: display the number of cases waiting in the queue, and by individual agent. Feature: out-of-the-box dashboards. A company provides roadside assistance for disabled automobiles. The company enacts a policy that specifies a 30-minute response time for all requests for assistance. You need to ensure that data about assistance crew response times is captured correctly. For what type of object should you define details? To answer, select the appropriate option in the answer area. Defining the details for the first response by KPI. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. You need to recommend solutions to help the company meet the following business requirements: detect and diagnose equipment problems before customers are aware of an issue. Create cases from social channels and SMS text messages. Use context-specific knowledge articles to solve customer issues quickly. What should you recommend? To answer, drag the appropriate solutions to the correct requirements. Each solution may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view content. Select and place. Requirement: detect and diagnose equipment problems before customers are aware of an issue. Solution: connected customer service. Requirement: create cases from social channels and SMS text messages. Solution: omnichannel for customer service. You work as a technician and receive your work assignments by using cases in Dynamics 365 customer service. You need to review the timeline for a case that you are managing. Which type of activity appears in the case timeline? A. Project task. B. Task. C. Entitlement. D. Work order. Correct answer, C. A company plans to combine data from Dynamics 365 customer service with other Microsoft apps and services. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. You can combine data from customer voice and Dynamics 365 customer service without using a Microsoft Dataverse connector. Statement yes. You can use a Microsoft Dataverse connector to share data between Dynamics 365 Finance and Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Statement yes. Power BI can connect to Dynamics 365 customer service data without using a Microsoft Dataverse connector. Statement yes. A company implements Dynamics 365 customer service for their support desk. Agents resolve issues based on their own personal experiences, or they must try to recreate the problem. This is causing customer satisfaction issues as resolution time is longer than expected and not consistent. You need to implement a solution to improve consistency of answers and ensure that agents can share their answers. What should you implement? A. Power Automate to transfer cases. B. Service level agreements. C. Knowledge base management most voted. D. Customer service insights. Correct answer, C. A company plans to implement omni-channel for customer service. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. You must purchase a third-party ISV solution to use the chat feature within omni-channel for customer service. Statement no. You can use text messaging to communicate with customers when you implement omni-channel for customer service. Statement yes. When you purchase licensing for Dynamics 365 customer service, you can use all omni-channel options without additional costs. Statement no. Which two components are included in Dynamics 365 marketing? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Customer voice survey. B. Customer service hub. C. Enterprise asset management. D. Event management. Correct answer A, D. A company integrates LinkedIn Campaign Manager with Dynamics 365 marketing. Which two actions can the company perform using out-of-the-box features? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Generate leads from LinkedIn. B. Create email templates for LinkedIn messages. C. Schedule and publish social posts. D. Create and publish events on LinkedIn. Correct answer, A, C. Customers submit suggestions, questions, and cases to a company by using the following channels: submitting a case in a customer service portal, emailing a support mailbox, calling a telephone number. The company has 2 departments. Each department has a defined list of agents. The company distributes all submissions to the correct department. You need to show the agents how the submissions are stored. Which format is used for the submissions? A. Work orders. B. Queues. C. Work items. D. Activities. Correct answer, B.